Warm up.
Hey kid.
Warm up 1. Pistol squat to bench. Stand facing away from the bench. Lift one leg in front of you. Lower yourself onto the bench with your free leg. Push up to stand using your standing leg. Repeat on the other leg for balance.
My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change.
Warm up 2. Bent knee back to side kick. Start in a fighting stance, with your knees slightly bent. Lift your back leg, bending the knee at a 90-degree angle. Swing your bent knee back behind you. Swiftly bring your knee forward and to the side, kicking your target with the side of your foot. Return your leg to the starting position and maintain your balance.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Exercise 1. Dumbbell clean. Start with the dumbbell on the ground between your feet. Squat down, grasp the dumbbell with one hand, and stand up explosively. As you stand up, pull the dumbbell upward, keeping it close to your body. Rotate your elbow under the dumbbell, catching it at shoulder height. Lower the dumbbell back to the ground to complete 1 repetition.
Where a void is forming and they're scared, I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time.
Exercise 2. Dumbbell Romanian deadlift. Stand with feet hip width apart, holding dumbbells in front of thighs. Hinge at hips, keeping back straight, and lower dumbbells along legs. Lower until you feel a stretch in hamstrings, then return to upright position. Keep knees slightly bent throughout the movement. Repeat for desired reps.
They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises.
Exercise 3. Dumbbell go belt curtsy lunge. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest with both hands. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Take a step back and to the side with one leg, crossing it behind the other leg in a curtsy-like motion. Bend both knees to lower your body, keeping your back straight and chest up. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Exercise 4. Dumbbell lateral step up. Stand beside a sturdy bench or platform with a dumbbell in each hand, arms at your sides. Place your left foot on the bench, ensuring your entire foot is secure. Push through your left heel and raise your body until your left leg is straight. Lower your body back down, keeping your right foot off the bench. Repeat for the desired number of reps on your left leg, then switch to your right leg.
Now stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Exercise 5. Dumbbell framers walk. Stand upright with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your sides. Keep your core engaged, chest up and shoulders back. Take slow, controlled steps while walking forward. Maintain a straight posture and avoid leaning forward or to the sides. Walk for a set distance or time, then carefully set the dumbbells down.
Just tell me that I can.
Exercise 6. Dumbbell one leg calf raise. Stand on one foot. Hold a dumbbell in one hand. Raise your heel, flexing your calf. Lower heel below step level. Repeat for desired reps. Switch legs for balance.
Mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase, let's face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.